Hi, my name is Eric Sugg. I'm an instructional services librarian here for Wake Tech, and what I'm going to be doing today is showing you how to access ebooks through the Wake Tech website. From the college's main website at waketech.edu, you will go to Libraries here in the top left tab. This will open up the library website. And to access all of our databases, including all of the ebooks, go to Search Databases. From this page, you will have access to all of our databases for retrieving articles and ebooks. Do keep in mind that if you're off campus, you will need to enter your Wake Tech credentials to access all databases. If you're on campus, you can just get directly into them. So scroll down till you see Resources by Subject, and we're going to go to the Electronic Books option. And open these up, and you will see all of our databases for ebooks available right here. For this example, we'll start with eBook Central. Once you're inside the eBook Central database, you are able to search for books immediately. However, one step I would recommend before you do that is to go to the Sign In option. This will allow you to create an account with the eBook database. It's free. All you need to do is just create an email address and a password, and you can sign in whenever you like. This way you'll be able to download ebooks and you can read them offline later on. Let's do a search. Your results will bring up anything related to the keywords that you type in. Chances are you will see something immediately that looks useful for you. Do keep in mind that you can refine your search over in this left menu. You can go and refine the subject, choose the language, or the year of publication. Let's go ahead and open one up to see what we've got. Once you've got the view of the book that you've selected, you'll see details for the book, all of the things that you are able to do, such as downloading or copying. You can read it online, right here, right now, or you can download it to your device, which keep in mind, that can only be done if you created an account with the database. You could also get a direct share link or do a citation. Let's open up the Read Online option. Once you have the book open, you'll notice that it looks pretty much like any other book. You'll see the cover, you'll see the table of contents, but here's what makes ebooks incredibly useful. Rather than having to flip through page by page and search for something in an index, if you're using an ebook for research, you can use this little internal search bar over here to type in what it is you're researching, do your search, and then you'll get a list of results that let you know anytime you get a hit for your keyword search. Then you can just go to the chapter, select it, it'll let you know what page your search is mentioned, and take you straight to the page. This is a very good way to save time and to get to exactly what it is that you're looking for. Once you've done that, if you need to cite something for research, you can go up here and get your share link or your citation, which will open up and allow you to select the style you want. You can also print, save it as a PDF, or download it. And just a reminder for the importance of creating an account with the ebook database if you'd like to download the book. If you didn't do so previously, you still can. Just go to the Download Book option. You'll get this notification here to ask you to create an account, which I've already done, so I'm going to sign in. My credentials are saved, so I'll sign in. And then you get this option here. You can download the book to whichever device you use, whether it's your computer, iPad, Android, or any other device you may be using. Once you do so, you will be allowed to use it whenever you like to access the ebook, whether you're online or not. So everything we just went over was simply one ebook database, eBook Central, and that had access to thousands of ebooks. Keep in mind that we have other ebook databases at your disposal, such as the EBSCO ebook collection. It may look differently than eBook Central, but it will operate in many of the same methods as we just reviewed. Another thing that I would highly recommend exploring is the NC Live option. NC Live is a consortium that offers all of us here at Wake Tech many database offerings. So if you go to their home page and select eBooks, you will have direct access to many wonderful things, such as their ABC Clio collection, their reference collection, their homegrown collection, and many others. Now we hope you found this video useful for finding and accessing databases. You have many things available for you, whether it's for research or for reading enjoyment. Below in the description section, I'll include my email address in case you need to contact me for any further assistance. I'll also include direct links to ebook databases to get you started. Enjoy!